Hello guys, I am Desi living in Videsh and back with another video. Please do watch the entire video. There is some surprise for everyone. We're not going to share हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. The location that you see is actually a peace bridge. कैलगरी आने वाला हर कोई टूरिस्ट ये वाली जगह डेफिनेटली जाता है. चाहे वीकडे हो या वीकेंड, ये वाली जगह पे हर उम्र का इंसान चलने के लिए और भागने के लिए आता है. This is a very famous spot where people come to see views of downtown Calgary and midtown Calgary. You will also see local artists performing live over here. It's a very famous spot of Calgary.
So drive your boat, take off your coat, and take a look around. Everything's all right now.
यहाँ पे आते ही मैं अपने बचपन में चला गया. I started thinking about things I used to do it as a kid.
Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely.
अच्छा तो धवल आपको कैसा लग रहा है कनाडा के वॉलमार्ट में, पर्टिकुलरली कैलगरी के वॉलमार्ट में? अच्छा लग रहा है.
खूबसूरत नज़ारे देखते ही मुझे मौका किया कुछ ड्रोन शॉट्स लेने का. प्लीज़ देखिए. कुछ लोगों ने हमें पूछा कि व्हाट वाज द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ योर ट्रिप. पहले अगर हमें बताना हो तो वी विल टेल यू अबाउट द फ्लाइट टिकट्स. इट कॉस्टेड अस एनीवेयर बिटवीन $550 to $600 from Toronto to Calgary and Calgary to Toronto. Next is accommodation. We did not spend a lot of money on accommodation because we were staying at our friend's place, but we did stay at Jasper where we spent the maximum money. With stay and food in Jasper, we spent about $700. So approximately total cost of our trip was around $2,000. So if you're planning a trip for 10 days, this is what it is going to cost. I would like to end this video with a thank you note. Thank you Dhaval and Tulsi for hosting us.